Fidelity Crypto Account Review. Is it worth it? So Fidelity Crypto is a cryptocurrency trading feature integrated into the Fidelity brokerage platform. It supports spot trading of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and the trade settles instantly. And there are no commission fees, though Fidelity applies a approximately 1% spread on every transaction. So the pros of Fidelity Crypto is it has seamless integration with existing Fidelity brokerage accounts. It's also great for investors who prefer managing everything in one place. There's also no account minimums or maintenance fees. There are also integrated tax reporting, whereas crypto gains and losses. There are also educational resources and regulated secure environment. However, there are some cons to consider, like they have very limited cryptocurrency selection. They also have high effective fees, a lack of crypto transfers, and a lot of platform limitations during trades. So overall, Fidelity Crypto is best suited for long-term investors who want a secure, regulated, and integrated way to gain basic exposure to Bitcoin.